guys, it's so cold. It's like 20 degrees. All right, guys, what the heck is up? Welcome back to another video. Truck gets clean, then it gets dirty in literally 3 seconds. I don't know how we made it here without the truck getting plastered. I just got it dirty and washed it yesterday. Salt's already running down it and getting all nasty and stuff. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna see how the 14 wides work in the mud. Well, we're already in the mud. We're just gonna hammer it. I don't know, we're gonna hammer it. Right when I get sideways, it just cuts all power. So I got traction control off, right there, bam, okay. Hold the button. Advanced track off. I got the differential locked. As soon as I get sideways, cuts all power. So, tires are actually hooking up super good. I mean, they're 14 wides. Truck's performing awesome. We got to wire in the switch to control traction control on the upfitter switches so we can be like full send engage, because like even though traction control's off and advanced track is off, it still will not let you have full raw control over the truck, which sucks. Alright guys, literally my new favorite thing, 4-wheel drive launches in the dirt. I really want to go to a dirt drag. But anyways guys, I washed the truck, it literally gets dirty the next day, so we might as well figure, you know, we'll do a little full send day for you with the 14 wides. We haven't actually used them to their fullest potential yet. I don't know what you would use a 14 wide for its potential. But anyways, if you guys want to get some parts for your Powerstroke, you want to run like just over 600 wheel horsepower, like 619 to the wheels, dyno proven, head to the shopmoderndiesel.com. You can shop our stage 1, stage 2 kits. These things run so good. This truck just, it rips. It absolutely rips. So you want your truck to be fast? Yes. Do you want your truck to sound like this? Yes. Do you want girls to sit on your wheels like this? Yes. We'll head on over to shopmoderndiesel.com. Link in description. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff planned. We just need the weather to break. It's literally 16 degrees right now, and we need a garage. We need to find a garage. There's a plane coming. Yeah, hit that subscribe button, join the Modern Diesel family. If you guys want to see some Supra stuff and some car content, head over to the first link in the description. Our second channel, show some love over there. We're about to post our video up on that channel. So yeah, subscribe there, show some support. Give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was sick. Ripping the Powerstroke with the 14 wides. We gotta wash it now because now it's not just like liquid puddle mud, it's like heavy, thick mud. But alright guys, that's it. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Dude, 4-wheel drive launches in dirt with these wheels are sick. We gotta do another one. But for real though, where's the black truck? Where's the field truck?
Fucking thieves.
Someone jacked.